This is the blue boy. He's not as comfortable on the table, but he seems to be doing. He just wants to grab the can
and run.
You gotta eat the stuff in the can. There you go. Step forward. There we go. There we go. There we go. Shoulder. And shoulder. There's. There you go. They like this stuff. Yeah. Good boy.
His leg is way under him at the rear.
There you go.
That's good. Oh.
Come on forward. Can you turn so she can see your front?
Puppy!
This front. Here, yeah, it's right there. Ready? Up and down. Oh, that doesn't work with that hand. I need to do it with this hand. Here it is. Here it is. Ready? Can you step forward? He says, I can't go so close to the edge. He goes. And then we'll show you.
Good, that's good.
His head.
That was good.
There's his head.
Turn him upside down and then the ears will fall. Really? And then you can see.
No, he doesn't want to do that. He goes.